So let's see this knife that I received today. I'm very happy about it because I wanted a chef's knife for a while now. I've bought it from Amazon for only 25 euros because I have premium membership, Prime. So it came this morning. It is in a very nice box. It has magnetic closure, and let's see what we got. Okay, so this is a small, looks like, yeah, a small presentation of all the types of knives this house SHAN ZU produces, with all the information you want, my dear friend. Anyway, it's all written in English, so don't expect to see other languages. By the way, it's carbon German steel. Japanese house that messes. Anyway, yes, I'm happy. I'm pretty excited about this. So I can get free VIP membership. I don't know if I will use this because I'm not a chef. And this is the thing. Just look at it. It's gorgeous. So, pull this off. It has protection here, very small. And just look at this knife. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So we can see the house over here. SHAN ZU. It has a great wooden, I don't know what type of material is this. Looks like carbon. Anyways, so it's very heavy. It's a heavy knife, but it can definitely look like how do you do, like this. Steady hand. It's a great knife. I like it already. Now let's see what we can do with this. So this is the first test. I have a lemon and the SHAN ZU Elite Series. Oh my God, just look at that. You go through it just like that, and you can make even smaller slices. Smaller. No. Anyways, this is great. Comes and goes like, oh my God, just look at this. Great knife. It's a little sticky. If you cut like lemons or things that are stickier, they'll stick. Anyway, so there we have it. SHAN ZU Chef's Knife.